Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have added Google Pie chart in analytical module for operating system analytics. As you can see, here we have different operating systems regarding the user information. And now we need to process that having this array. So first of all, we will create a query. In the store procedure, app setting, modify. Here we have a query for OS. We will select OS as the name and count will be like this and group by OS. And now when we will execute this, it will give us operating system names and their counts. Okay, now execute this procedure. We have query right now. Now we need to add a connection. Simply copy this connection and stop the execution. In this connection, I will call a filter operating system, which will send me dynamic object count and its values, and I will render that into a different list. So here we have a different list. Let's create OS dynamic list and populate the values in this one, and now create another view back having value of OS and use this here. Now what actually happens when this controller is executed? First, it will load the previous data, then it will load the browser information, and in the last it will load the operating system information. When it will load operating system information, it stored that into the specific object where we have name and count. The name and count will be returned from here, name and count. It will automatically bind with this. So the first 0 is name and 1 is count. We will populate that within this object and then pass this object as a list in the global list OS dynamic list. We are adding that one by one, and in the last we will pass this to the view back. So at this point we have list of information passed to OS list, and this list will be rendered as a JSON encoded JSON in the index.chtml. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us. Don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the next video, we will render this information into the Google Pie chart.